Alright, so now we got all the balls with an extra red.
Now let's start taking the characters.
Oh, wow. Sorry about the background noise. Now we are going to start. No, not Lola. Oh, with bugs. Okay, now we're going to start with limited edition Golden Chronos. Oh! Okay, Chronos here. I see. If you ever watched the very cute Space Jam movie, it's not cute. I just like it. It's good. If you haven't seen it, it came off HBO Max, so it's too late to watch. But if you've seen it, then make sure to tell me in the comments below. So here's Chronos. I'm gonna go save him in the back for this. So let's bring our stuff back. So now we're going to get Lola out. Lola! Here we've got Lola Bunny.
Hi, it's me, Lola.
It's cute. It's a cute toy.
It's cute. Yeah, it's cute. And also, Bugs looks like a little cute. He looks cute.
Okay, now it's time to get back to the next character. So next we have LeBron. Okay, here's LeBron.
The ball.
He came out dunking.
Let's try something. Let's just put the balls trapped there.
Oh, I'm just doing something back here. Getting something ready for later. LeBron just dunked. We got LeBron from the set. We've got wait, not everybody. We're missing somebody. It's time to open. Last but never ever least, my favorite character, for my opinion, Bugs Bunny!
What is that? That little thing down.
Now, open it. Oh no, I almost cracked the box. Now, we're going to keep doing it until you've got everything ready. Wow. Oh no, Bugs isn't coming out. Oh, wait, I did it! He's out! Now it's time for the best part. We've got the court ready, as we set up earlier. We have extra toys here to play with. So we've got Lola, Bugs. These are the ones we opened.
We have Yosef and Sam.
We have Marvin the Martian. Oh, and
Marvin.
we got, what's her name? I forgot. White Mamba.
White Mamba.
So now we got White Mamba.
Don't forget Chronos.
Technically, we have two Bugses. Two Bugses. And also we have two LeBrons. One that dunks and the other doesn't. He dunks. They can all they can all hold the ball. Each of them have like a thing on them that helps them hold the ball. Marvin doesn't have it, but the other characters do. Because Marvin doesn't really play in the movie, that's why. I got it, Noah. Oh. Hey, Marvin! Come here!
Sweetie, Lola, come. Come on, guys.
Hey, guys. It's me, Marvin.
I told Putty Kid.
You know I sewed that new dress for Lola.
Yeah.
Where is she?
I'm right here.
All right, Lola. Are you ready to play with this toy set?
Yeah. Sweetie, you want to play? Let's go. Let's go play, Sweetie.
Yay! I'm LeBron and I'm dunking. Uh-oh, the ball fell.
I'll be myself.
Okay, now we are going to see one more person. Bugs Bunny!
Yeah.
What's up, Doc? What's up, Doc?
The Tasmanian Devil.
And even better, not better, even more though. Daffy Duck! Yeah. Okay, why am I doing that? And last but never ever least, LeBron James! And Lola Bunny, I guess. Woohoo! Now it is time for all of our toys to get together and play a game. Not actually our toys, they're gonna play. Our friends here, Tweety, Lola, all of our friends are gonna play a game with these toys. It'll take a few minutes to play. So, who's gonna be Kronos? Alright, Taz, you get Kronos.
Who wants Yosemite Sam? Nobody?
Woo! LeBron probably wants LeBron. I have a plush of myself.
It's not a plush.
What is it then?
It's a hard toy.
Hey, how are you talking? You're a toy.
I'm not talking.
Then who's talking?
It's me.
Oh, I thought the toy was talking. Goodbye. Hope you guys subscribe. Have a nice day. Bye. Oh wait, one more thing. Click the like button.
And
Bye.
Bye.